And while we're at it, we can just do a little quick class on loading your sponge when you're doing stenciling. So I will generally, it depends. Sometimes I don't even do a background. But generally I'll do a white horn. So I'm going to put a few drops of water into this. This is a line white, so this is like DFX or one of the other wax-based whites. So you want a good strong pigment. You don't want to use a base white, because you won't get it strong enough, particularly when you're going over some colour. Yeah, so you've really got to have a good. So I've quite a bit of water in there. So when I'm stenciling, I put a fair bit of water, and then I carry on with this sponge and keep going and keep going, and even a bit further, because you want it quite dry, quite sticky almost. So I keep going, getting plenty of paint, and check it on your hand. If you touch, it shouldn't do anything. I just touch my skin and it doesn't come out. What I've got to do is press really hard, then it does. So that's the test. If you just touch gently, nothing should come off. Now I've managed to drop a spot of water on there. I'm just going to see if I can get rid of it like this. Kind of, not quite. Okay, so having got that sponge, I'll now stick my unicorn. Don't do it too high either. Try and get it as far down as you can. Central. And press really hard. And then it's strong. Okay, so load up lots of paint, really firmly loaded up, and yeah, then you get plenty of paint on there.